Hi everyone, so I just thought I would jump on and just share a little bit about one of the things that I really love to do when I'm painting. So this is the very messy part of my studio, and it's just as well that I teach in here twice a week because it makes me have to tidy everything up. Otherwise I would just be tripping over everything. Anyway, I am working on this oil painting and it's just an abstract landscape. Now, one of the things that I like to do when I'm painting is add little accents or little pops of colour throughout the painting, because when you surround it by a colour that's not close to it on the colour wheel, for example, it jumps out. So you'll see here where I've put these little pops of orange and they are next to this kind of blue-grey. And then what that does is it makes them pop. Whereas if I put them next to more sort of reds, they wouldn't stand out quite as much. I've then laid some pops of red over here as well. I'll just show you on this bigger piece that I'm working on. So you can see here where I've added this pop of red, where it's surrounded by the blue and the cooler tones, it just jumps out a lot more. So when you put colour down, just think about, do you want it to pop? Do you want it to jump? And if you do, try and surround it by a colour that's opposite on the colour wheel or reduced in saturation. That way you'll get the biggest pop on that bit. So just thought I would jump in and share that with you. I hope you found that useful. Maybe you have a method for making some of your colours pop. Maybe you want to share those in the comments. It'd be really interesting to hear from you. And if this is something that's interesting to you, then maybe subscribe to my channel so that you can get lots more tips and ideas and invites into my studio. So thanks everybody and happy painting.